Do you know you can earn up to $500 daily by uploading faceless TikTok videos? Welcome to Debt Busters, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today's video will walk you through a detailed step-by-step procedure for creating faceless TikTok videos in the motivation niche and earning up to $500 per day in exchange for uploading them. We'll show you where to find motivational quotes, copyright-free videos, and music to use in your motivational videos. We'll also explain how you can monetize these videos with affiliate marketing, so make sure you stick around until the end. In the 21st century, many people make money online in various ways, and TikTok is one of them. TikTok is the world's sixth most popular social media platform, with over 1 billion active users as of January 2022. That's a substantial market. Many people have discovered how to make money on TikTok, and some even consider it a full-time job. Others have quit their regular jobs to focus solely on content creation, earning twice or even 3 times as much as they did before. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. To make money directly on TikTok, you must be 18 years old or older, have more than 10,000 followers, and have received at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Then, you can apply to the TikTok Creator Fund within the app. Making money on TikTok, like painting a picture, requires a little creativity. While there are official, app-funded ways to earn money on the platform, there are plenty of other ways to make money on the platform, even if you don't have a lot of followers. Many TikTok users have already achieved financial success through the app, similar to social media creators active on other platforms. While TikTok may appear to be a new frontier, the strategies for making money are similar to those used on Instagram or YouTube. But first, before we show you how to earn up to $500 a day, let us show you how to make these faceless motivational videos to upload to your TikTok account. There are a few things you'll need to make these videos. These are motivational quotes, copyrighted videos and music, and a video editing platform to help you merge everything. We will walk you through the process of getting all the required items. So the first step is to look for motivational quotes for your videos. We chose to use motivational quotes because they are the easiest to start with. You can find these motivational quotes by simply Googling. Type motivational quotes for success into Google, then click the first link on the Shopify blog to access over 200 motivational quotes. It is optional to use quotes from the Shopify blog. You can use any website that provides motivational quotes. Pinterest is another website that can help you find motivational quotes. Simply searching Pinterest motivational quotes on Google will find up to 670 motivational quotes. So we'll pick one of these motivational quotes from Shopify. We'll go with Mark Twain's quote, number 3. We are going to copy and paste it into Google Docs. If you don't know how to access Google Docs, open a new browser and type in Google Docs. Click on the first link, which will direct you to Google Docs. Then, click the plus symbol and paste the motivational quote we copied. After getting the motivational quote, the next step in this process is to find a video you will use because you want to use something other than your face. It is very simple to obtain these videos. All you need to do is go to a website called Pexels.com. This website provides free images and videos with no copyright to use commercially. Since our video is in the motivation niche, we'll look for videos about luxury because they go well with motivational quotes. So we'll type in luxury. Because we are looking for a video, we'll click here on videos and then filter by vertical since we're posting the video on TikTok and they're usually uploaded in vertical format. To filter to vertical, click here on all orientations and then select vertical. Once you've found the video you want to download, click on it, and in the top right corner, you'll see the option download. Click on it to start downloading the video. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Now we have the quote and the royalty-free video. The other thing we will need is copyright-free music. So we have two free options for music, and you can choose which one you want to use. Both of them will require you to visit YouTube, and one of the channels you will visit is this one called No Copyright Sounds. This channel has been around for a long time, and almost every YouTuber who uses music in their videos gets it from here. You can filter the videos to see which songs are most popular among content creators. Since their music is so good, you'll notice that their video has a lot of views. Another channel that can help you access copyright-free music is Nefx. If you're a creator or have a YouTube channel, you've probably heard of this guy because he's been making motivational music for years, and it's really good. When you find the music you like on either channel, click the description of that video to see a link where you can download the MP3 version of that music. When you click the link, you may be redirected to a page where you can directly download the music, but the link may also direct you to their official page, where you must manually search for the song. To get the exact song you want, copy the song's name from YouTube and paste it here to search for it. If you can't find the download link in the description, copy the link to the music you want on YouTube, paste it into i2mate.com, and then download the MP3 version. After you've obtained your music, the next step is to combine the video, music, and quote. We will use Canva to accomplish this. Don't be worried if you don't have an account. All you have to do is sign up for an account, and Canva will give you a 30-day free trial period with access to all pro features. The subscription can then be canceled before the trial period expires. To continue using it, create a new email address and sign up for another 30-day free trial. Once you've registered with Canva and have all of the pro options, go to Videos and select Mobile Videos. Your videos will be 5 seconds long by default. Don't worry, that's all we require. You can even shorten the video if you want. So, we're going to make our TikTok video now. You can use the templates on the left since they look great, but we'll use the downloaded video. To use the video we downloaded, click Uploads and upload the video you want. Once the video has been uploaded, you must click on it on the left, and it will appear on your timeline. The next step will be to remove the background music from the uploaded video. To do so, click on the speaker icon at the top and turn the volume down. The next step is to fit the video into this frame since we want it to fit the phone screen. Following that, we will add the music to the video. To do so, go to Upload Files and select the music you downloaded. It will be posted on the website. Once uploaded, all you have to do is click on it, and it will be added to the video. The next step is to trim the video and music so that it is only 5 seconds long. At this point, everything is ready. All that is left is for you to add the motivational quote that we copied and pasted into the Google Docs. Once you've copied the quote, return to Canva and select Text from the left-hand menu. Then click on Add a subheading and paste the quote. All we have to do now is play with text edits to make it more appealing. You can change the color of the text to make it blend well with the background, and everything will be okay. To change the color, click on the text, then A, and you'll see the available options. If you want to add an effect to the text, such as a shadow, click on Effects and then Shadow, which you can adjust to your liking. Make sure to size the text to become bold so that the audience can read it without difficulty. All that remains is to download our video and upload it to TikTok once everything has been completed. To download these videos, click Share and then Download to begin the download. Now that we've downloaded our video, we need to upload it to TikTok.com. If you still need an account, I recommend you create one to upload these motivational videos. Go to TikTok.com, click Login, and it will give you the option to sign up for a new account. All that remains after you sign up is for you to upload the video. To upload the video, click the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and select the video you want to upload. Once you have selected the video, here is where most people need help to get through. When uploading the video, you don't need to enter any additional information. Click Next. All you have to do on this page is turn on Allow high-quality videos and then select your video's cover. Choose the best part of the video that appeals to you, which will be your cover. This is all there is to the video. Add no hashtags. The only thing you'll be adding to these videos is an affiliate link to the description. and when you post the video, you'll pin it in the comments section. So when people watch your video and read the comments, they will see your affiliate link, which you will use to make sales from day one. Let me also enlighten you on this. If you try to post multiple videos on the same day, you will get a shadow ban as soon as you open your account. Shadow burn implies that TikTok will believe you are attempting to spam the platform by posting videos back to back, which you do not want to happen to you. If this occurs, it has the potential to damage your TikTok account permanently. So to avoid this, stick to a schedule in which you upload 1 video per day for 1 week, then 2 videos per day for 2 weeks. So where will you get the affiliate links that will assist you in making sales? I recommend the following websites. You can choose between clickbank.com, Digistore24, Tapmob, and Pictory. All of the links to these sites are available in the video description. Regardless of the affiliate link, you can still make money through other means. Using the affiliate links in the description and pinned comment will allow you to make sales from day one. But once you reach 10,000 TikTok followers, you can access the Creator Marketplace. This Creator Marketplace connects you to potential sponsors who want to advertise using your videos and will pay you for each video they advertise on your channel. So, once you reach 10,000 followers, you'll be able to earn money from your affiliate links, the Creator Marketplace, and the TikTok Creator Fund. In 2021, TikTok pledged 231 million British pounds to the Creator Fund for European creators and a total of $1 billion over 3 years. So they will distribute this to all of the creators who meet the criteria of having more than 10,000 followers and a certain number of views. When you reach 10,000 followers, you can earn money from the Creator Fund. There are 3 ways to make money: affiliate links, creator funds, and the Creator Marketplace. The best part is that in 2023, YouTube will pay you to upload the videos we created. And the fact that YouTube will be paying more is even better. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Are you willing to give this method a shot and start making money on TikTok? Comment down below. We want to hear your thoughts on this. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you know how to make faceless TikTok videos and earn up to $500 daily. But that doesn't help if you want to know how to make money on YouTube without showing your face in the cryptocurrency niche. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know more about making money talking about crypto. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.